Mastering Restaurant Reservations. Celebrate in style. Hello, everyone. We're glad to have you back on our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to tackle a really interesting and practical topic: making special requests and accommodations for special occasions or celebrations at a restaurant. This is an essential skill when you want to arrange a surprise party, a birthday dinner, an anniversary celebration, or any event that requires a little extra touch. Let's get started. Before we get into the scenarios, let's familiarize ourselves with some common vocabulary and expressions used when making special requests at a restaurant. Reserve, to book or arrange in advance. Accommodate, to make room for or adjust to suit needs. Special occasion, a significant event or day, e.g. birthday, anniversary. Celebrate, to honor or commemorate a person or event. Arrangements, the plans or preparations for an event. Allergies, dietary restrictions, special dietary needs or foods that cannot be eaten. Common expressions might include, I'd like to make a reservation, we are celebrating, could you possibly? We require special accommodations for, is it possible to arrange for? Now let's move into the conversation itself. Here's how you might start a call to a restaurant to arrange a special celebration. Hello, my name is, your name. I would like to make a reservation for, number of people, on, date, at, time. We are celebrating a special occasion. Could you possibly arrange for a private room? It's my parents' wedding anniversary and we'd like to keep it a surprise. One more thing, my brother has some dietary restrictions. He's allergic to nuts. Could you accommodate that in the menu? Remember, the person on the other side might respond in a variety of ways. Here's how you can navigate the conversation based on their responses. I'm sorry, but we can't accommodate a large group on that day. Response: I understand. Could you suggest another suitable date or time? Our restaurant doesn't have private rooms. Response: That's all right. Could we possibly get a secluded or quieter spot in the restaurant? We can certainly cater for dietary restrictions. Response: Great, thank you. Please ensure there are no nuts in any of his dishes. And that wraps up our session on arranging special celebrations at a restaurant. Remember, the key is to be clear, polite, and flexible. Practice these phrases and responses, and soon you'll be making reservations and arranging special occasions with ease in English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.